Click on the link below to get price. The Champion Power Equipment 15,000-watt MKE series portable generator with electric start is a robust option for those seeking reliable power supply in various situations. Designed for versatility, this generator is particularly well suited for home backup during outages, outdoor events, or even job sites requiring portable electricity. At the heart of this generator is its impressive 15,000-watt starting capacity and 12,000-watt running capacity. This means it can handle a variety of appliances and tools, including larger items like refrigerators, air conditioning units, and power tools. The electric start feature simplifies operation, allowing users to start the generator with the push of a button, a particularly appealing aspect for those who prefer not to use a pull start mechanism. The MKE series also boasts a durable design, built to withstand the demands of outdoor use. It features a heavy-duty steel frame and a protective roll cage, which adds an extra layer of reliability and longevity. Its large fuel tank capacity of 7.7 gallons allows for extended operation, providing up to 8 hours of runtime at 50% load. This attribute is significant for users who require prolonged power supply without frequent refueling. In terms of power outputs, the generator includes multiple outlets, such as 120V and 240V options, as well as a 120V twist lock. This variety of outlets ensures that it can accommodate a wide range of devices, catering to different power needs. Additionally, the generator is equipped with a digital display that provides users with critical information such as voltage, hertz, and runtime hours, contributing to ease of management during use. When it comes to mobility, the Champion generator is designed with user-friendly features. It is equipped with sturdy wheels and a folding handle, making it easier to transport. This aspect is particularly beneficial for those who may need to move the generator to different locations or store it when not in use. In conclusion, the Champion Power Equipment 15,000-watt MKE series portable generator with electric start stands out for its powerful performance, durable design, and user-friendly features. Whether for emergency home backup or outdoor activities, this generator provides a reliable solution for a variety of power needs, highlighting its versatility and functionality in everyday use.